How are you doing today? Today we're going to show you how to use the multimeter to check the power source. First, we're going to check the pinout on the power source. In Taiwan, we use 110 voltage, so we need to adjust to voltage AC to 200, and then use the negative probe to the ground pin here, and the positive probe to the neutral pin here. And from the meter we can see the reading is 0.3, which is perfect because the reading is almost zero. And then we need to check the actual voltage. Again, the negative to the ground, and the positive to the other pin. See that the reading 106 is very close to 110. That means the pinout on the power strip is correct. Second, we're going to introduce how to check the resist distance for the network cable with a pair of a special A10 fixture tool. See that? It's a pair with the RJ45 transformers, and then we just need to put one end of the cable to one of the piece, and the other side goes to the other unit, and then short on one side. So in this way, the multimeter will send out a voltage over the cable, and with the short circuit here, it's going to loop back to the meter. And this is how the meter check the resistance over the network cable. Again, we need to adjust the meter to the buzzer here, and simply the probe goes to the red tab here, and the black to the black. Let's just adjust a little bit here. And from reading, this is really between 0.1 to 0.2. Let's say if I'll say this is 0.2, will be easier for you to read. See that with this tool, to check the resistance for the network cable becomes very easy. The last, we're going to check the grounding, the ohm value from A10 device to the customer's device, and the ohm value is going to be a total ohm value that includes the network cable. So again, we need to adjust the meter to the buzzer here, and one end of the fixture tool goes to the grounding joint on A10 device, and here we've got a grounding wire here, so we can just connect it. If you don't, you can simply just hook it up to the ground point here. There is a screw, and you can use it. Otherwise, this will be easier. You just need to put a wire here and extend the ground point And then if the grounding point uses the black probe, the same color with the black tab goes to the black on the other fixture 2 volt, and then the red probe goes to the customer device. Usually somewhere the screws on the back of the computer. And you can see the meter readings kind of stays on 0.2. That means the grounding is perfect. Yes. The cable standalone, we checked that it's a 0.2, and from location A to location B, including the cable, it's still 0.2. That means the grounding is perfect. If you see the grounding value goes up with a bigger number, like 8 or 10, that means the common grounding isn't so well. Probably you need to check, because our device can take roughly around 5 ohms, and that's all about it. Thank you very much for watching this channel, and have a good day.